Customer states instrument cluster does not light up and gauges do not move. Check engine light will light up though. And they charge 121 bucks just to write on a piece of paper. So they had to bring it to the pro to fix it right, guys. You can see right here, this wire's chewed up. Here's the other end of it here. This was chewed up by mice too, and it's all messed up. So we're gonna have to get in here and heat shrink it and fix it all up. You can see right here, 20 amp, 15 amp. I did it with the multimeter. It goes to these fuses. Ignition C, 20 amp, CTSY, LP, 15 amp. This goes to a bunch of ignition wiring. It goes to the cluster, it goes to lights, it goes to a bunch of stuff. I think it might even go to the fuel pump, so we need to fix that. And then CTSY LP is the courtesy lights. Those probably don't work either because the wire's cut. Look at this, chewed wires everywhere. This goes here, goes back up in there. Then these are chewed, they go way back up in there, so I'm gonna have to take the whole intake off just to fix the wires all the way back in there because I can't reach them. Why do mice always chew these wires? Whoa, banana flavored. Can't really blame them. They're pretty good. So I managed to find a piece of wire the same gauge and I got it spliced in here, different color, but doesn't matter. You can see how I like to do it. They're all woven in like this. You can see it makes good contact, and then we're gonna twist them together here. All twisted together, time for some heat shrink and some solder. You can see it's perfectly soldered now. That ain't going anywhere. All right, let me get these other ones cleaned up and we'll be done. Pretty sure we solved the customer states issue. Still gotta do a little bit more work before we can crank this thing and test it for sure. But I'm pretty confident it's fixed. Check y'all on the next one. Later.